Wellness is something that sometimes we add on at the end. It's not something that we think about up front. And oftentimes we wear a lot of different hats. We are parents and daughters, maybe caretakers of elderly parents. And sometimes that work-life balance, it doesn't get as much attention, or we don't think it's as significant as it is. But all the different tasks that we have and all the different roles that we have, they build up.
The sentiment that we need to take care of ourselves first is loud and clear, and not necessarily in self-care strategies that involve bubble baths, but actually strategies that will endure the type of state that education is in currently.
We have to start prioritizing what we need so that we can serve our communities better. Oftentimes we sacrifice ourselves and don't think about our own needs, but we're going to reach a limit of how much we can be helpful to others if we're not taking care of ourselves. And so I think this event prioritized the helpers, the educators that interface with our children and our communities so that they're getting the attention they need so that they can then serve our community better.
The culture to grind or to always show up or to produce, that is a very real feeling that we suppress. So I say to anyone, especially those who work with youth, all of us could benefit from a day where we center our own wellness, where we think about work-life balance, where we normalize the conversation about how to be well, how to show up for each other, where we think about the different things that might be bothering us and how we've suppressed them, where we find healthy outlets to be able to cope with some of the things that we're experiencing. So today is really about thinking about those things, being mindful about those things, normalizing the conversation around those things, and seeing if there's something else that we could add to help us with our work-life balance.
I speak at a lot of conferences for educators, and I have never seen and never experienced before where the intentionality is towards the educators and the wellness of the educators so that they can provide top-tier service to their students. Usually the emphasis is on the top-tier strategies and then maybe a half a session on don't get burned out. But here you have a complete conference on wellness strategies and mental health.
I'm really excited to see the people that showed up today, and my heart is a little bit broken for those that couldn't make it. They really missed out, and I hope that the people that leave the conference today talk about it and that they boast about it in a way that next year will be at max capacity. People that couldn't be here today, you really missed out on a gem. You've had opportunity to learn, to grow, to build community, and to really start making steps to make your life better. And so if you missed out, don't make it a habit to miss out again.
I can't imagine it not being an annual event. It is well attended, well received, and I think every educator here in Ohio, but even nationally, needs to be a part of something like this.